Alright, so he's drawing a stripe there. Vertical, horizontal, he's going diagonal. Alright, so let's see, he's drawing a box. Okay, moving the box to the side. Oh, what's he doing here? He's drawing a square. No, he's not drawing a square, he's drawing a circle within a square. Oh my word, he's duplicating it. Why would he do that? Okay, so he's deleting that part of the line and drawing another diagonal line. So, what's going on here, guys? I'm not sure. It looks like a cylinder. And what would he want to do with a cylinder in a box? Okay, so he's drawing black squigglies. Okay, so it's black squigglies. No. Black squigglies on the box. Black squigglies on the box. Okay, so, I see, it's hair. It's a hairy box. He's drawing a hairy box. Unbelievable. Okay, so it's a hairy box. You see, I'm clever. I know exactly what he's doing here. I told you it's a hairy box. All he has to do now is draw eyes on this little hairy box. Okay, so he's adding more hair and more hair and more hair. That's very interesting. So, okay, so he's doing more. Okay, now this is getting boring. It's really getting boring. I know. What? What the hell is he doing now? Okay, that's a surprise. I didn't see that coming. I see. He's drawing a collar on this thing. So he's going to put a collar on this hairy box. A what? He's putting two collars in this hairy box. Oh my word, it's not a hairy box. It's something else. I might be wrong. You know what, guys? It's a hay bale. Okay, so let's see what he's going to do on the right side here. The cylinder is very interesting. It's got the same hair as the box. Okay, so this might be another furry animal. Let's have a look. Okay. So he's dressing it in something. He's putting some lines on there. I know what those are. Those are contour lines. Yeah. And that, so. Okay. Oh well, what the hell? You know, I know exactly what's going on here. He's drawing two hay bales. One is cylinder shape, the kind that's been rolled up, and the other one is a square one. Not square. Look how dumb I am now. It's a box one. Okay, so he's filling out the thicker lines in here. He's trying to be clever and smart, so he's adding thicker and thicker lines on the sides. Erasing bits here and there. Okay. Oh, adding thicker lines to this one as well. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. You see what he did there? He's erasing and putting lines in, erasing and putting lines in, erasing and putting lines in. It's so clever, actually. I wish I was drawing this. Yeah, then I could claim the credit for this. You see. No, see, done. He's done. Finished with. No, it's not finished with. What? He's adding color to these things. Unfreaking believable. Okay, so he's coloring them with a full layer. That's so clever. Okay, and what the hell is he doing here? Oh, I see. He's adding. It looks like it could be the plastic wrap around this one. Yeah. See, that's the plastic wrap around that one. Alright, okay. Bale 2. Oh, I see. Alright, so now, what's he doing now? Oh, the rope. Yeah, he's giving the rope color as well. Oh, that's so boring. Really? I could have done that. Really? I could have done that. It's so simple and easy. All you have to do is draw boxes and cylinders. How easy is that? Okay, so he's duplicating the whole thing now. Alright, so I'm flipping it horizontally. That's so cool, man. So he's making more and more of these idle bales and putting it around in the scene. So he's going to do that with that one as well. moving it to the back of the layer stack, bringing this to the front of the layer stack. How cool is that? Yeah, I wish I was that good. I'm gonna start drawing hay bales in Greta. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.